Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making egg drop soup. You will need 4 cups of chicken stock, 4 eggs, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 3 tablespoons of water, 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and scallions. Slice your scallions, then set them aside until later. Now whisk your eggs, then set them aside until later. In a bowl, add the cornstarch and water. Whisk until well combined. To your pot, add the white portion of the scallion and the chicken stock, then bring it to a boil. After your stock begins to boil, slowly stir in the cornstarch mixture. Now slowly stir in your egg, then season with the salt and pepper. Add the green portion of your scallion, and now it is ready to serve. Egg drop soup is easy to make and it tastes great. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps.